Getting pre-approval for a mortgage is an important step in the home buying process. Here are the steps to follow to get pre-approved for a mortgage. Gather your financial information. Before you start the pre-approval process, gather your financial information, including your income, assets, and debts. Choose a lender. Research and choose a lender that fits your needs and preferences. Complete a full application. With a pre-approval, you complete a full application with supporting documentation. The lender pulls your credit report and score and puts an offer in writing to give you a loan at a given interest rate. Wait for the lender's response. Even with a mortgage pre-approval, your loan still has to go through underwriting, a final stage of due diligence before issuing the loan. Wait for the lender's response. Even with a mortgage pre-approval, your loan still has to go through underwriting, a final stage of due diligence before issuing the loan, after you have a home under contract. Use the pre-approval to shop for homes. Once you have a pre-approval letter, you can shop for homes within your means and show that you're a serious buyer. It is important to note that pre-qualification and pre-approval are not the same things. Pre-qualification is a less rigorous process that gives you an idea of the sort of financing you might be able to get, while pre-approval is a written verification from a mortgage lender that you qualify for the mortgage amount you've applied for, based on a review of your credit history, credit scores, income. To get pre-approved for a mortgage, you will need to provide some financial information and personal identification documents. Here is a list of documents that are typically required for a mortgage pre-approval. Personal identification, such as a driver's license or passport, social security card, proof of income, such as pay stubs from the past 30 days, W-2 forms from the past 2 years, and tax returns from the past 2 years, proof of assets, such as bank statements from the past 2 months, credit history, debt statements, rental history, and references gift letter. If applicable, it is important to note that the specific documents required may vary depending on the lender and the type of mortgage you are applying for. It is best to check with your lender to confirm the exact documents in. The length of time that a mortgage pre-approval is valid for varies depending on the lender, but it typically lasts between 30 to 90 days. After this period, the pre-approval letter will expire, and you will need to reapply for a new one if you have not yet found a home to purchase. It is important to note that pre-approval and pre-qualification are not the same things, and pre-qualification does not provide a written verification of your ability to obtain a mortgage. When you are ready to start the pre-approval process, be sure to gather all the necessary financial information and personal identification documents required by your lender. If you make an offer on a house with an expired mortgage pre-approval, the seller may not take your offer seriously, as they may question your ability to